Hey guys, we got a new product available through Sloan Express. It's going to be a reinforcement plate kit for your power fold option on your John Deere combines. We've been seeing a little bit of cracking around the hinge points, on the lower hinge points of the power hoppers, more or less the front and rear doors. So if you're on the inside, you would actually see a little bit of a crack starting to form. Doesn't matter really if it's been, say, a current production where it's where you just got the current doors on there, or if you're adding a Demco mower or even a power hopper top or extension, seeing a little bit more weight in there. This is actually a fix for all that. So what it is just a 4-piece kit, and I've got a 4-piece kit here with me, and it's just a plate that we're having made. And what it's doing is it's got the 2 holes mounted in it to where we're going down to this hinge point, and we're just going to slide that plate in there to create that reinforcement. So when all that weight or pressure is on there, it's going across this whole plate versus just going on the hinge point itself. One of the other things we'll have to do that we've noticed is that when you go in there to change that plate out, it won't hurt to change out your hardware as well, or at least the top carriage bolt. A little bit longer. We've got the old one here and the new one we're going to put back in its place. Just will give you a little bit more grab on that top nut to help hold that in place as well. So we're going to go ahead and just show you a little bit of the process of installing it in the door here, this back door, and we'll kind of let you see the finished product after we're done with that. So we're going to go ahead and start by just sliding this plate in place. Got another guy in the green tank going to help me do that. So we'll go ahead and start with that process. So as you can see, we've got both of these plates in place, bolted in, ready to go. You would end up doing the same thing on the front door. So if you happen to have any questions on this product, you can give us a call at 800-934-9777 or check it out on sloanex.com.